make money with this app that you are seeing here. Alright, welcome back to my channel Unspoken Insight. This is the first time that you come across this video. Please kindly hit the notification button, like and share to give you more weekly update. As you do so, God bless you. This channel that you are seeing Unspoken Insight is all about how to make money online. We discuss on how to make much money online. Yes, but I would like to be reviewing this to show you this update, which is ALEXMINING. Yeah, this ALEXMINING is a platform that people use to invest. It's all about investment, but people are afraid to invest with their money. Yes, as I said, that this platform or these companies is legit, 100%. I mean 100% legit. Yet, but people are just saying it's a scam. It's not a scam. This company need legions of people to work with them. Not only about investment. When you are able to work with them, they will start pay you every weekly or monthly. Yes, you heard me. Yes, this company, they need more people that will start working with them. This ALEXMINING, many people are invested on this platform. People are cashing out money every day. People are earning money on it every day. But it's like doing this platform now, it's not up to a month now. I know how much I withdraw for this company that you are seeing here, ALEXMINING. If you want to know more about this company, how it works, yes, I heard me, how it works, please just come to notification button, just write I am interested, and I will reply you. I will tell you about it, how it works. It's 100% legit. It's legit. As I said, this is the first time that you come across this video. Please kindly hit the notification button. Yes, anytime that I drop new video, you'll be the first person to see it here. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.